Want to launch your dream website for almost nothing? I've got an exclusive Bluehost coupon code deal where you can save up to 80% off Bluehost web hosting, plus get a free domain name for the first year. This isn't just any Bluehost coupon, it's one of the best Bluehost discounts you'll find right now. Click the link in the description below to unlock your Bluehost discount. The discount is applied automatically. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Bluehost at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome Bluehost discount. Let's dive in. Right now, you can grab the Bluehost starter plan for as low as $1.99 a month. That's up to 80% off the regular price, and it even includes a free domain name SSL certificate. And if you want more features, you can choose the business plan for just $3.99 a month, with the e-commerce essentials plan for $6.99 a month. All of these are best when you choose the 36-month term, so you lock in the lowest price possible. Here's the quick breakdown. Starter plan, $1.99 a month on the 36-month term, perfect for beginners and blogs. Business plan, $3.99 a month on the 36-month term, includes daily backups and domain privacy. E-commerce essentials plan, $6.99 a month on the 12-month and 36-month terms, perfect for online stores with WooCommerce tools ready to go. Here's how to grab the exclusive Bluehost discount. Click the Bluehost link in the description below, pick the plan that's right for you. The discount is applied automatically, no coupon code needed. Getting up to 80% off hosting, plus a free domain and SSL is huge. Whether you're starting a blog, launching a business, or building an online store, this is a professional hosting solution for a fraction of the normal price. So click the link below to lock in your $1.99 a month Bluehost deal before it's gone. And if this video helped you save money, hit that like button and subscribe for more website tips and deals.